guys, I have a new power outlet plug extender that is multifunctional. It also functions as a surge protector and includes 2 USB ports and a nightlight all in one. This is the DXPOW 3-outlet surge protector wall tap. As you can see, it has 3 outlets allowing for use with 3 prong plugs, and it splits 1 outlet into 3. So you plug it in from the back, and then 1 becomes 3. It features 2 USB ports down at the bottom, which is great since so many devices nowadays have USB ports and, small appliances as well. So this device diverts excess voltage away from electronic equipment during an AC power surge or power spike. It offers 1200 joule surge suppression rating with EMI RFI noise filtering. It has a flame retardant ABS shell to improve durability and safety. The polycarbonate housing stays at a low temperature, reducing fire risk. So I am going to plug this in now to show you that there is a blue LED surge indicator that shows you your devices are grounded and surge protection is in fact activated. So for this device, you would place it at the top of your 2 ports in your house and put this in there. There's a plastic post that you would put in the bottom so that it stays supported. So you place it in. Alrighty, and it is in the wall. So now you can see the little blue light. It's right over here to show that you are protected. This device features an auto sensor nightlight. I haven't seen that before in an outlet extender, but it's equipped with dusk to dawn LED sensor nightlight on the top, so it's ideal for a bedroom or living or even a kitchen. I'm going to take this into the dark bathroom and plug it in to show you since it's too bright in here right now. So here is the nightlight. We put it in the bathroom to show you. Now I'm going to shut the door to show you what it looks like in total darkness. By the way, it is right next to a mirror, so you do see the reflection. So this DXPOW wall tap is very multifunctional. It allows you to convert a single wall socket into a power station. Please check the description below for more information about this product. Also, please subscribe to this channel, and we appreciate your comments and likes as well. Thanks for watching.